Cleaning up the cobwebs is what Tiggers do the bestest. Bouncing high into the sky to get up where the mess is. No, I don't want to boast, but what I really must confess is that cleaning up the cobwebs is what Tiggers do the bestest. All together now! Or not? Why so glum, chums?
Didn't think I looked so glum.
I miss my Easter honey pot. And I especially miss the honey that comes with it.
And I miss my pink Easter basket.
Oh, come on, fellas. Let's get to sanitarizing and niftyifying. We don't want to let old rabbit down now, do we?
I guess not.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's hop to it.
Yeah, let's hop to it. Just like the Easter Bunny.
Just like the Easter Bunny. Hey, Roo Boy, you made a funny.
A bunny funny.
Did someone mention honey?
Come on, Tigger. We gotta spring into action.
Attaboy, Roo Boy. We'll have this place spiffy in a jiffy. And, okay, maybe 2 jiffies.
Achoo!
Oh, gesundheit, Pooh.
Ugh, this cleaning stuff sure is dirty business. Say, how you coming in there, Roo Boy?
Almost done. Just one more box.
Tigger and the gang were cleaning up quite a storm. However, as they swept the dust out of the corners, they swept it right into Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, bother. Sniffly sniff, whistly wheeze. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. I feel it in my ears and knees. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. Oh. I close my eyes and wiggle my nose. I itch and scrunch my face. I shiver and shake down to my toes and wave my arms all over the place. Oh, goodness. Sniffly sniff, whistly wheeze. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. I feel it in my ears and knees. Here it comes, a great big...
Oh, dear.
Better hang on to something. I think he's gonna blow.
Winnie the Pooh sneezed, the biggest sneeze that had never been sneezed in the 100-acre ward.